What's going on, y'all? Back with y'all with another video. Today we will be doing the switchback turn signals. I did this once before, but I don't think I did it on my SN. I did it on my new Edge. It's a whole video on my new Edge if you guys want to go back and watch that one. I'm about to do it again right now, but today I did receive my LED lights as well for my headlights. So I'm gonna install those as well too. It's just, plug and play. It's just literally just a plug and play. So that's gonna be easy. I did order the resistors for the switchbacks so it doesn't hyper flash. So that's basically what I'm installing today. The switchback light is literally just a plug and play. And then with the resistors, you literally gotta tap into the ground and tap into the turn signal. I can't remember on my SN, was there a brown wire? I'll show you guys, I guess. I'll let you know which wires that you're supposed to tap into. One is supposed to be a black one, and one is probably like a white and green, and one is like a white and blue, I believe. I can't remember. But I'll show you guys, I guess, when I show you guys the stuff. I'll show you which ones you got to tap into and which ones you use and stuff like that. You got to clamp stuff, but it's very easy to install. I'll show you guys how to do it. But let me go ahead and get into the video and show you guys all the stuff that I got. Okay, so these are the lights that I got. These are the switchbacks right here. Basically you see what they look like right here. Literally just plug and play. These are the resistors. You literally just use these little clamps right here to tap into the wire. You basically crunch them together, basically. You can see like the little thing that splits it through. I'll open them up for you guys too. And then these are the lights that I got. They're not like very expensive or anything. I think I got these for like $20, $30, something like that. I'm out of there. These are the lights, LEDs. Had these before. They are pretty bright. But yeah, these are all plug and play. You literally just plug it up to the other light. But yeah, that's pretty much it. These are the switchbacks, LED lights, the resistors to stop the hyper flash. So guess I'm ready to just go ahead and put this stuff on. Showed you guys everything, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do the resistor part, because it's probably the hardest part, and some people might not know how to do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and show everybody how to do this really quickly. You only need two of these because you need one on each side. So one on the passenger side, one on the driver's side. But I guess this pack came with 4. I might do it on my Camaro or something for like my turn signals as well, and get some switchbacks for that. But I don't know. I don't even know if like the Camaro holds like this type of switchback. So I don't know. I'll see if I can do it on that one. If not, I'll just have 2 extra ones just in case I get another Mustang and I want to do it. So the first thing you want to do is take out the bolt that's holding the corner light in, which is this one. Unless you got a one piece. If you got a one piece, I don't know what you're supposed to do. Probably got to pull the whole light out to get to the corner. Same with this side. Take the bolt out right there to take the corner light out. And after that, basically just take the bulb out. I guess I'll show you guys right now. So take the corner light off. And if you won't, take the battery off just in case, because you are splicing into wires. So you do want to make sure you take the battery off just in case. And this side, I think my turn signal is way down here. If you want, you can unclip this, which I'm probably gonna do, but I do want to put a bulb in here to make sure this does work. Give me 1 second. So I did check to see if my bulb worked, and it did. So I guess this side does work. I need to check this side for sure. I mean this side, because there's a bulb in it, but it doesn't work. But I think it's just a bulb, I don't know. But I gotta get a razor to take this plastic off really quickly. Let's see if you guys can see this. So the green and white right there is the turn signal, and the one in the middle, I believe, is the brown one. Yeah, if you look closely, it's brown, and the one all the way to the left is black. The green and white one and the black one is the ones you tap into. The black one is the negative, and the green and white one is the turn signal. So let me get a razor to cut this off, and then we'll tap into this. So I literally just used the flathead, and I pulled like some of the duct tape, well, the electrical tape off this, and then just split the thing in the middle. There's literally a slit in this thing. You just pull the wires straight through after you take the tape off. But this brown wire right here in the middle, I don't know if you guys can see that clear. That brown wire right there, you do not touch. The green right there, and this black right here, the black one. Those are the two that you have to tap into. So you literally take the resistor, clip one on this side and clip the other one on this side. The same resistor goes on one side, and then another one goes on that side. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So what you wanna do, you take a resistor, damn it. Take a resistor right here. You get 2 of these out of your pack. And let me tell you something. So this, let me see if you guys can see that. Damn, that shit will not focus. So it's an open side right there and a closed side. So this side right here has a closed side. So you take the open side, which is this side, you take this side and slide it on here, on whichever one you're about to do it on. So basically, you take a wire. I'm gonna do the green one first. Hold on 1 second. I'll do the green one first. Might have to do this with 2 hands, but see if I could do it with one. You take the open side, slide the open side over the green. Might have to use 2 hands. 1 second. So basically you take the green right here, use this open side. I don't know if y'all can see it, if it's like focusing on it. Take that open side. You might have to open it up a little bit, this open side. All you have to do is take a flathead, just open it up a little bit, just so you can get this in there. Might have to do it a little more than that. Okay, yeah. So if you want, take it, keep opening it up a little more. Don't open up it too much because you don't want this do not want this thing to not be able to close all the way, but it should still close. Might have to just put it in like that and take the flathead, just open it up, open it, get part of it in. There you go. There you go, right there. Basically just take it, put it in just like that. Free moving because the thing isn't clamped down yet, which is gonna splice the wire technically. So you just go ahead and put it wherever you wanted to put it, but leave some space because you do have to, on one side, which is the closed side, there's an open side right here, and then this side is closed, so you know which the resistor go on, which is the one that has a closed side. So it's an open side and a closed side. This one is fully, the one where the turn signal goes in, it's clearly open. This side is open and this side is open. This side is open on the resistor, and then one side of the resistor is closed. That's just for the resistor to go in enough to touch the other side so you don't move it. So you literally just take the resistor, put it in there, and I need to get my grip pliers. It's best for you to get some regular pliers that just close. So you just separate the wires like that. Take your grip pliers or your regular pliers, or whichever one you use to, clamp this down. Make sure the resistor is all the way through, because you do want these things to make contact. So you just take it, smush on it till it's like basically all the way through. That's how it makes contact. There you go, right there. Should be all the way through on both. Yep. Shouldn't be able to come out. Should be all the way through, and it should be touching. You just basically take it like this, lock it up. Then you take the other side of the resistor. You got to do the same thing you just did right there on the negative, which is the black wire. So you could literally put it wherever you want. Take the open side, put it through. Like I said, you might have to open it up, because it is pretty tight. That's how we all like it though, right? Sorry about my fingers and nails, they're pretty dirty. I was working on the car. Before I did this video. So you do the exact same thing on this. Take the open side. It's not open enough. There you go, right there. Make sure it's in on the open side. If you want, you can slide this a little further down, whatever you want to do. I literally just, close it. Gonna want to slide it down probably a little bit, because I did put this one up higher. So probably want to slide it down just a tad for this one to go in. And then, like I said, take your grips and right through. Right through. There you go. There you go. Close it. Just like that. And then wherever you want to mount this up, or if you want to just put it in a fender well like I'm gonna do. So these are the old bulbs right here. You really just pull back I'm gonna put these LEDs in. Hopefully they are hella bright. And then with these right here, they're literally just plug and play. Literally just take the LED, plug it right into there, and that should work. I'm gonna turn it on to see. And damn, that shit bright. There you go. The new LED light bulb. And it does have fans on here to keep the LED keep the LED, you know, like last longer and stuff. So yeah, has a little fan on the end of it. That's one side. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and show you guys at nighttime how it all looks.
I don't have you, yeah, I think there's something missing.